Hold on. Okay. Pretty good. Alright, this question, it says line 1 is given by this and then line 2 is given by this. So the first thing you do for the line 1 and line 2 is to change it to the format that we understand, the y equals to mx plus c format. So if you change the... Are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you change the y minus 4, by the way, you are supposed to look at the Jamboard.
Yeah, I'm looking at
Yeah,
the number.
so you are given a line 1, this is line 1. So you are given line 1 as y minus 4 equals to x. So you change it to the format y equals to mx plus c. So you are getting what? You are getting y equals to x plus 4, right?
Uh-huh.
Hello, why you keep making the same mistake? Minus 4 change, bring it over, becomes plus 4. Hello? Answer my question. Are you answering my question? Are you answering my question?
Uh,
What did I say?
you move over near change to plus.
So how come until today you still get it wrong? What's wrong with you then? Then what are you waiting for now? What are you waiting for now?
I'm grabbing the pen.
Okay. And by the way, you're not supposed to make mistakes like this anymore. Then what about the line 2? If you make mistakes like this again and again, I'm going to give you a lot of homework just on this. This is silly mistakes. You keep making silly mistakes since day 1. And you are already in sec 2. Okay, good. Stop. Okay, stop. Good. So, question A. How? You need to draw line 1 and line 2. Where have you drawn?
On graph paper.
Did you scan it or did you take a picture or did you send it over to me or what?
It's in my cam scanner. Right here.
So for your own reference, or is it supposed to be shared with me? Then what are you waiting for? Thank you. What are you doing now?
I'm sharing it over
Through what?
to WhatsApp.
Do it quick.
Yeah, okay, done.
You go and look at your over here. You read the question. It says using a graph paper. Draw. Okay, you read the question. Draw both line 1 and line 2. You read.
Draw both line 1 and line 2 on the same graph paper.
Repeat.
Draw both line 1 and line 2.
I say repeat the entire question.
Draw both line 1 and line 2 on the same graph paper given -2
So what have you done?
You do line 1, but line 1 is wrong.
Why line 1 is wrong?
Because the y equals to x plus for that one, I got the wrong answer. That wasn't supposed to be the answer.
You hold on. Let me get your graph to this Jamboard also. Okay, I see two graphs. Which graph is which graph? I don't understand.
Oh, the other graph is the other question. Like further on, there's a question that also asks you to draw a graph.
So which graph I should be looking at for this question?
The first page one.
The slide or the slope?
Wait. Oh no, look at the second one, yeah.
Am I supposed? So I look at the second one.
Yeah, the one with the table.
There is no table here. The picture you sent over is nonsense.
No, the table on top, like the second page.
Hold on. You sent me a PDF graph. Never mind.
Or they didn't capture the.
You didn't or I didn't?
I said the camera didn't.
So it's my problem or your problem?
Whole thing.
So it's your problem or my problem? You don't start to give me all this camera problem, okay? Never mind. You do the graph now and submit now. Never write down the question. Send me the graph. I don't even know what graph is what graph.
I resent already.
So you only give me the right one the second time? I expect the right one the first time. I don't want so many graphs from you. You just give me once, that's it.
I didn't notice.
You didn't notice, then you better go and check yourself. I don't want to receive rubbish from you. You don't spam mail. No excuse. Don't tell me you never check. You never check is your problem. Not like last time, you keep sending me like multiple emails in 1 week. I asked you to double check before you send anything to me. What you have sent me? You sent me where? Where you sent me? Where you sent me? Charmaine, where you send me your stuff? Hello. You just deleted whatever you have sent me over WhatsApp. Still no name. Okay, which one is which? Now I can start to see.
The first one is the question on the Jamboard.
So the first one is line what? Line 1. You see,
But
you are
the
so,
line is wrong.
you just,
So
you are just, I find that you are so ridiculous. Never mind, let me crop it out. I tell you why you are so ridiculous. How big is your graph paper?
um, I mean
You look.
the size of normal foolscap paper, I guess. A4.
Where you put your graph? This is your graph, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Where you put the table? You put it like so far away. What do you expect? If you are doing the graph, your table should be somewhere here, the top right corner. Not until first thing first. Your table is first very tiny. Second thing, what is this extra line? What is this extra line?
It's just an extra line.
What is this extra line I'm asking? There shouldn't. By the way, this is called drawing, right? Drawing, you use pencil or pen?
Pencil.
Your pencil. Okay, if it's a pencil, can I ask you why there is an extra line, you don't go and erase it? That means you refuse to erase it, right? Okay, so actually your table is correct. Your table here is correct. That's why your line is also correct. It's supposed to be y equals to x plus 4. So when x equals to minus 2, y is equal to 2. So your table is correct. So if you go according to your table, so this is the line, correct. So this is line 1, y equals to x plus 4. Where's your line 2? Where's your line 2? Hello.
I didn't do line 2.
Why? Why? Never read question.
Yeah.
Skip question. You skip question, right? That means never finish your homework.
I did not read properly.
Hold on. No excuse. What do you mean by you never read properly? So later I give you 10 here, you read as 100 lah, huh? Then you can just say, oh, I never read properly. What nonsense is this? When are you going to stop this nonsense? Never read properly. What never read properly? Later I give you 7 pages of homework, then you just give me 6, right? Just tell me, oh, I never read properly, I never read the last page. Is your mom around?
No.
Never mind. I will give your mom a call. Or you can tell your mom, give me a call tomorrow. Ask your mom to call me tomorrow,
Tomorrow.
lunchtime. Okay? Can?
Yeah.
I'm not going to talk to your mom. I'm not going to message your mom. I want you to tell your mom and ask your mom to give me a call. It's regarding your this homework. Okay? Just let him know it's regarding your homework. Okay? Good. So, can you do the line 2 right now on the Jamboard?
Yeah, I'm just calculating the table first.
Can you write the table on the graph paper? Because now I already uploaded the graph paper for you to do already.
Yeah, I'm just like looking at the table.
No, what I'm saying is like, can you do it on the Jamboard? Like, write the table on the Jamboard as well. Because the graph paper is your graph paper is all here already. And by the way, the paper is green. You don't use green, okay? You don't confuse me and confuse yourself. And by the way, you're not supposed to write it. Can you get the table out here? I have drawn the table for you. Can you fill up the table? And then draw line 2. Or before you write the table, I think it's best you write the line 2 above, so that you know that this table is for line 2. So line 2 is what? Minus x plus 6. So if you write this on the so let's say this is your line 1, so you just always write the function above the table, so that people know that, oh, this table is for this function and this table is for this function. Are you clear?
Yeah.
You better follow next time, okay? You remember to ask your mom to call me, If you forget, if I need to call your mom, that means I think you will get a lesson from us. Are you sure or not? Can you punch your calculator carefully? Are you sure? Don't anyhow. Minus x. So you need to put the minus 2 inside. Y equals to minus x plus 6. So you put the minus 2 inside. You don't restart your nonsense, Your nonsense, you have already kept your nonsense in your pocket for quite some time already. And then today you give me nonsense again. You better get rid of all your nonsense, or you keep it inside your pocket. Don't show it to me. I don't need your nonsense. Draw the line now. Can you draw your cross smaller? Did you realize your cross is so big until it hits so many other points or not? That point is so small, and then your cross is like 5 times the size. If you cannot, you just give it a dot. If you cannot, you zoom in. Yeah, use your ruler to guide you. Very good. Okay, are you supposed to cross over the tree?
No.
Then how come your line looks like it crossed beyond 3? Use an eraser, erase. Okay, good. Label the line. Label line 1 and line 2 with the equation or the function. We have not labeled. Where's your x and y for the axis? Okay, very good. So this is a complete question. Okay, and then read the question. The question says you need to find the intersection point. So where is the intersection point here? Look at the graph. Where's the intersection point? And label the intersection point. Can you use a red color to mark the intersection point? Mark and label. So what point is this? One and 5. Very good. Okay, good. So now if this is the graph, correct, then if you look at your calculator to solve, it's also 1 and 5. X equals to 1, y equals to 5. And then you use substitution. What's your answer for substitution? It's too small, cannot see. It's also x equals to 1, y equals to 5, which is here. Let me double check. Okay, very good. So what you observe here in this case? What's your conclusion here? What's your conclusion for this question? Hello, what's the conclusion? Graph, calculator, and then substitution method.
The intersection points are all the same.
Oh no, for the graph we call that the intersection point, but for the calculator we don't call it the intersection point. For substitution we don't call it the intersection point. So this x equals to 1, y equals to 5. This one is 1, 5. Did you see I'm writing the conclusion on the right hand side of the slide 1?
Yeah.
So what you observe? You observe that for the graph, this is called the intersection point. But for the calculator, this is called not called the intersection point. For the substitution, this is not called the intersection point. So the conclusion is they have the same solution. Same solution. So what is the solution? The solution is x equals to 1, y equals to 5. The solution is x equals to 1, y equals to 5 for calculator. And the solution for the graph is, yeah, x equals to 1, y equals to 5. So they have the same solutions. Whether you use the graph method or you use the calculator method or use a substitution method, they have the same what?
Solution.
Yes. Then the solution is, so if I ask what's the solution? How do you answer what's the solution?
X equals to 1, y equals to 5.
Correct. Correct. Okay? So next time if I ask you to solve, you can use the graph, or you can use the calculator, or you can use substitution. And you are supposed to get the same solution if the questions are the same. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next. To go to the next slide, I'm going to upload the second question. Okay, this question is from your work. I think your school. You realize that or not?
Yeah.
Hold on, let me just grab the question. Then how come you anyhow do this question? Did you anyhow do this question? Did you anyhow do this question? Okay, slide 2. Are you looking at slide 2?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So first question, coordinate of S. Where's the S? S is here. So it's minus 2 and 0. Very good. The gradient of line QR. How do you get the gradient of line QR?
The formula.
So what formula you use? Negative 2. Okay, by the way, when I ask you to write down the gradient of line QR is minus 2, you are supposed to write m equals to minus 2. Are you clear? Not minus 2. If you write minus 2, nobody knows what this minus 2 refer to. If you write m equals to minus 2, then people know that, oh, m is the gradient, right?
Yeah.
So you are supposed to write m equals negative 2. Are you clear? So for PQ, how do you get 0? You never show me the work. How do you get 0? Did you?
What?
Did you show me the work how you get 0 for C?
It's at the side.
No, are you supposed to write that like, oh, my working is on my working is on the right, but my answer is here? How you are supposed to present your answer?
The working is supposed to be close to the answer.
Yes. What you could have done like this. Okay, I can write like part B is here. So if my part B is here, okay, let's say my formula is this. So this is the way to do it. So let's say this is minus 2. Okay, so m equals to minus 2. So let's say you want to do C. You do C here. Same thing. This is expecting from you. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, not like, oh, my working is here, but my answer is on the left. No one knows this working belongs to this. You don't give me nonsense again, okay? I tell you, I expect good quality work from you. Alright? Then what is the y-intercept for QR? Where is QR? Can you trace the line QR and show me the y-intercept for QR? Can you trace the line QR? Slide 2. Where's the y-intercept?
Oh, it's not there.
Wait. So if it's not there, then you need to trace until you hit the y-axis. Extend the line.
Okay.
Wait. Which line you are tracing now? QR.
The line QR, yeah.
Okay.
That.
Use a ruler. Park your ruler there. Then start tracing it. Looks good. But you need to extend it further until you hit the y-axis. It's not hitting the y-axis yet. Yes, somewhat like this. You're right. Okay, so if I were to help you, right? Stop. If I were to help you, so basically I need to extend something like this. Okay, so you are supposed to get it from here. Use a ruler, extend it until you hit the y-axis. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, what can you how can you do this question? Can you see that this is not so I would say it's not so easy. Okay, so what I suggest you to do is you do it on a graph paper. How? So I need to remember the this thing. Okay, so I'm going to get GeoGebra. No need GeoGebra. Just continue to trace. Okay. So then it will hit the point. I think the point is actually 10. Okay. So the y-intercept is 10 for QR. And then for the PQ, right, is 4. It's 4 here. Okay, it's 4. You see, y-intercept is 4. See, what's the letter for y-intercept? M or C?
C.
Then what you are showing me? You tell me m equals to 4. M equals to 4 is actually C equals to 10 for QR. C is equal to 4 for PQ. Letter C is for y-intercept. M is for gradient. Until today, you still mix them up. Okay, next. Okay, good. So okay, this is m equals to 0. Okay, good. So with this, I think you know the function. So the function to describe QR is y equals to mx plus c. What's your m for QR? M for QR is minus 2. What's C? 10. So this is the function. Then for the next one, PQ. So it's equal to mx plus c. So for PQ, what's your gradient for PQ? Read from the question, what's the gradient for PQ?
Y equals to
I ask you what's the gradient for PQ?
0.
0, okay, 0. Okay, good. What's the y-intercept for PQ?
Um, 4.
4. So simplify. 0 times x is?
Nothing.
0 times x is x.
It's error. There's nothing there.
0 times anything is what?
It's 0.
Yes. 0 times anything is 0. So 0 times x is 0. So 0 plus 4 is y equals to 4. So that's the function for last question. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Slide 3. So question, next question. This question. Let me upload it to the GeoGebra. No, upload to your this Jamboard. I hope you are doing fine. I think you look fine to me. Yes, very good. Okay, good. So over here, so copy and complete the table. So how do you complete the table? So you just key in the 0 into it, and then you key in the 2 into it, and then key in the 4 into it. Okay, good. So this table is correct. Okay. So once you have this, then using a scale 1 cm for 1, 1 cm for 5. So yeah, I think you have that here. Let me just copy that over also. Do you think you have drawn this correctly?
No.
Why no?
Because the line, the line, the point and the line is very off.
Okay, let's see what has gone wrong. Okay, I have already so let me just make this smaller. Let me reduce this. Can I make it? Okay, yeah. Let me make it smaller. So park the graph bigger. Can you see the graph on the right side now?
Yeah.
You are supposed to look at the Jamboard slide 3. Can you see things? Can you see or not? Okay, good. So now we are supposed to use the scale 1 cm 1 unit on the x-axis. Okay, let's see. 1 cm 1 unit. Okay, this is 1 cm 1 unit. So you are supposed to have until 10. Do you have until 10? Quite tight. Or is it because of your camera? Can you see that it's very tight?
Yeah.
Are you supposed to like take a picture of this to me? You need to show me the entire graph, not crop out. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Next. So I'm supposed to see 5, 10, 15, 20. A bit tight also. A bit tight also. So if your this one already out of the graph, what you need to do? Are you supposed to draw out of the graph?
That is the Y.
Yes, I'm talking about why now. Are you supposed to draw out of the graph? That's my
No.
question. Are you?
No.
Then if not, what you need to do? Redraw. Don't start the 0 here. Start the 0 here. If you start the 0 here, your 5 is here. Then this will be 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, you know? And then 60. Oh no, yours is totally wrong. And I still realize that I cannot hit. So I need to plan my page. I still realize I cannot draw it out properly. So I need to plan my page, my graph paper. Okay, 来 redo. So instead of going from 0 to 80, I need to start from here 80 first. Because so that I don't go out of the paper. So okay, I know here's 80. So if this is 80, next one below 80 is 75, right? Can you fill up the rest for me now on the Jamboard? I already started it for you. What are you waiting for? I already started 80 and 75 for you. You just need to follow the 70 and then 65, then continue for me. Go and grab a drink. I go and grab a drink. You continue. You continue labeling. I go and grab a drink. Good. Continue so slow. Yeah, looks like we still yeah, it looks like we still short of space. Can you see? Short of space?
Yeah.
Never mind, I'm going to help you. Hold on. You stop first. You stop first. You stop first. Let me help you out. Let me help you out. I'm going to upload another one. Let me upload another graph paper so that you can do it. Okay, stop. Don't erase. Don't erase. I think you can do a better job here. Okay. Can or not? You try. Is this better? This is 15. Yep. 10. Then 5. Okay, yep. You see, still not as good, We still run out of space a little bit. But never mind, just mark it down. 0. Somewhere here. How come I cannot write? Okay. Okay? Can or not?
Yeah.
Now you can start marking the point already. Where's your 0 and 80? Are you start marking 0 and 80? Yes. Good. Next. 220. 270, I'm sorry. Then quick, all the points. 650.
Oh wait, just
Yeah, sorry, I think a bit off. Yep, about there lah, about there lah, about there. Yep, continue. Yeah, I think our labeling got some problem. Never mind, I help you. Okay, let me just quickly do the labeling. Okay, let me just redo. You stop first. You stop first. So this is 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, then 25, 20, 15, 15 is here, then 10, then 5, 0. Okay, good, just nice. Okay, 继续 next. Eight and 40. Last one, 10:30. Okay, good. No need, no need. I help you. So you just use the ruler, link it up. Then after that, label. This is y equals to minus 5x plus 80. Okay? Then now you can answer the question. So when x equals to 5, where is x equal to 5? Can you show me where is x equal to 5? You use blue color, yeah?
X equals to
5. Yes. So you go up, trace up, straight one, up, deng, 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 deng. So it's here, right? Wait. You hit the graph here already. Can you see or not?
yeah.
So once you hit here, you don't go beyond. So once you hit here, right, you just read the number. Just go horizontally. So read this number. So in this case, it's 54, right? Am I right now?
Yeah.
So therefore, y value is this value is y equals to 54. So that's how you get y equals to 54 for CI. So the gradient, how do you get the gradient? So you take 30 minus, then you take 10. So this is what? This is you see, you never show the step, so it's very hard for me to read. So it's, you never show step, I'm not going to accept it, okay? You don't skip step also. Minus 5. Okay, good. The answer is minus 5. Very good. So the gradient is minus 5. So m equals to minus 5. So if a fan was used to cool the test tube, describe how the gradient of the graph would change. So if a fan was used to cool the test tube, so if you cool the test tube, then how? So now no fan, no fan. So now the thing is can you see that the temperature drop? Okay, so this is the time. So after 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, then this is the temperature. So what is the observation here? The observation here is when you put the test tube on the table, the temperature will drop because it cools down, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Let's say you have a hot potato, you put it on the table, it will cool down after some time, right? Let's go to slide 4. So you have a hot potato. You put it hot potato. You put it on the table. Okay? So it will cool down after some time, right?
Yeah.
So cool down means the temperature will drop, huh? Let's say this is the temperature. This is the time. So the temperature will drop until you go to the room temperature. Right?
Yeah.
So now this one is without the fan. Now you give it a fan. Now there is a fan blow. So what's going to happen? You use the fan to blow at the hot potato. So what is going to happen? Chemically, the potato
like
will
cool
cool
down.
cool down what? Faster or slower?
Faster.
Faster. Okay, good. Faster. So that means, let's say just now it take 5 minutes to, let's say just now it take 5 minutes to cool to room temperature. So now faster means it will take 4 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Or it will take 3 minutes, right? That means
Yeah.
shorter time lah. So therefore, just now the graph is like this. So now it take only 3 minutes to cool to the room temperature. So it's more, the slide down is going to be more dramatic. So let me go to slide 3. Are you at slide 3 now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So let me just tidy up here a little bit. So this was the graph, normal graph, no fan. So if you have the fan, right? So room temperature is 30 according to this question. Room temperature is 30. Okay. So now instead of just now is 10 minutes to reach 30. So now I think it's 7 minutes already reach. So 7 minutes already reach the 30. So you start from 80. You 7 minutes reach the 30. So you are going to have the new curve. So this is the new curve in blue with the fan. This one is with the fan. So they ask, describe how the gradient of the graph would change. Then the gradient. So since the slide down is shorter in time. Shorter in time, right? You see, only 7 minutes here to here. So since the slide down is shorter in time, so what happened? The gradient. What happened to this gradient? This gradient and this gradient, which one has a bigger angle? So the gradient is more negative. Why? Because it's more dramatic than the original one. Dramatic means which angle is bigger? The red one or the blue one? Which angle is bigger? Compare. Do you have a projector with you? Do you have a projector with you?
Let me check.
Never mind. If you don't have, it's okay. You just look at the blue one here and you look at the red one here. The blue is more dramatic. That means the blue angle is bigger than the red one. So when the blue angle is bigger than the red one, so the blue one is more dramatic, so it's more negative. So the gradient is more negative. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So this question. So next time when you come to my house, we do such question. You need to bring the projector. Then we can discuss this question. All right. Okay. So let's take a 5-minute break before we continue. Shall we?
Yeah.
Good. So see you in 5 minutes. Go and take a break. See you.